Fancy transforming your home into a heavenly oasis in under 5 minutes? Keep watching. Picture this. You're done cleaning, and your home doesn't just look spotless, it smells like a dream. Get ready to be the envy of your friends. Brace yourselves. Quidos Cleaning Services has got the ultimate foolproof and lightning-fast cleaning hacks. Make your home smell fresh. A few drops of essential oils or Lenor scented boosters in your vacuum bag or filter, and voila, your house smells like a luxury spa. How about those dreaded kitchen appliance cleans? A cup of water, a 3-minute zap, and your microwave is cleaner than ever. Add a lemon slice for that citrusy kick. Improve the efficiency of your dusting. Forget old-school dusters. A damp microfibre cloth not only traps the dust, it annihilates it. Grab these items and try these hacks right now. Trust us, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. If you love a clean, heavenly-smelling home, smash that like and follow us for more genius cleaning hacks. Let's elevate your home into a blissful retreat.